Welcome, today I'll show you how to hide photos in your gallery in your OPPO A17. First of all, you need to open your Photos application. This one, it's standard application on this phone, so open. And now from the list select your photos what you wanna hide, and on the bottom we got set as private button. Tap it. And we got success message, successfully set as private. Touch and hold the tab bar on the bottom of the screen in Photos to view private photos and videos. Tap OK. Now tap here on the bottom bar. And now need to enter our privacy password. If you don't get this password, so need setup firstly, and then you can hide your photos. So got it, tap, and here we got our hide photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.